Hello friends, this video is about how to connect Discord to Patreon, so let's get started. I have opened my Discord account here, and now I am going to open a new tab here. Then I am going to search for Patreon here. I will type Patreon in the search bar, and then open up the first website that appears here. It will take some time to open properly. Once it opens, you can see the Patreon dashboard here. Now I am going to click over the settings option from the left side menu. When you click over the settings option, the settings page will appear here. Here, all you need to do is click over the More option. A drop-down will appear here. You have to click on the Connected Apps option here. All the connected apps will appear here. You can see the first one is Discord. Simply click over it. Then you will have the option to connect it. Just click the Connect button here. This type of page will appear. And here what you have to do is click on Authorize. And after a few seconds, you can see that Discord will be connected here. So that was all about how to connect Discord to Patreon. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.